Hi, sweet stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Neat Designs. And guys, I have a sneak peek of the September Sweet Creations Club to share with you. Now, originally when I designed the projects, I had intended to use the layering leaves stamp set and the bow punch. However, the punch is on back order till October. However, if you have these items, then great, you can certainly use them. Now, in the PDF tutorial, I will be sharing with you some of the projects that I originally made with the layering leaves. However, I had to make a quick switch since the bow punch was on back order. So I switched over to the Earthen Textures bundle, and I will tell you, it was really easy to make that transition. So if you don't have the layering leaves or you don't have the Earthen Textures, I encourage you, pull out your supplies and use what you have. Really easy projects to be able to design with different products. Now, the projects that you're going to make in the club kit, it is going to be a card case that holds some really fun little pockets here, as well as your cards and envelopes for 6 cards and 6 envelopes. Now, I wanted to share with you, what I did is I stamped the sentiments in both the layering leaves as well as the Earthen Elegance, just to share, or the Earthen Textures, just to kind of show you what the differences are. So if you have the layering leaves or would like to add the layering leaves to your club kit order, you can do that. And just a little bit of a difference there. Just really, really beautiful, simple cards to make. And then also too, you're going to have your envelopes that you can decorate with the included designer series paper. Just really, really pretty to coordinate with your pretty cards. Now, they all fit inside your card case. Now, what I really love about this is this little fringe. I had a great time taking the ribbon, fringing it out just to add a really fun little accent to the cards. So to let you know, you will need some supplies to make the projects. You can either, like I said, if you have the layering leaves, you can use that with the bow punch. Or if you have the Earthen Textures, you can do that as well. You can add any of these supplies, except for the punch right now, because it is on back order. You can add them to your club kit. Now, you also, too, in addition to a stamp set and dies or a punch, you will also too need some inks, and you'll need the Pretty Peacock and the Berry Burst ink. You will also too, I recommend some adhesives, and that would be multi-purpose liquid glue, some dimensionals, and some mini glue dots. Now, if you would like, you can add any of these products to your order. The registration for the club kit will run from now till September 5th, at which time I will order the supplies and ship out your kit by September 15th. Now, just to let you know, if you're not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a fun project kit that I send to you each month that includes about $20 in product and consumable products, the pre-cut project pieces, as well as you'll have an email PDF tutorial for you to follow along with. Now, the cost for that is $39 to have it shipped to you each month. However, if you would like to just try a kit for 1 month, I do have a 1-month non-subscription option for $45, which includes shipping. So guys, I look forward to creating this really fun project kit for you. And just reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye, guys.